Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Flashboards for free. In order to do so, here we are at flashboards.yaroflasher.com. And what is Flashboards all about? No more AI slop. Real studio quality instantly. Just try it. It's fast. Well, if you want to try it out, let's find out. We've got a few options here. We've got a free option. Work with a board locally, limited to one board, import, export media, unlimited items and elements, AI generations unavailable. So basically it offers you a workspace that you can work with, and it's actually pretty cool, even if you're not using any of the other subscription tiers. However, if you do want to subscribe, we have some pretty reasonable options, and I would recommend that you take a look at Dark Paradise on YouTube. The creator of the software, Flashboards, also made a movie, and if the proof is in the pudding, that's it there. So if you're interested in AI animation and filmmaking, then you might want to check out Yaro Flasher's latest film, Dark Paradise, and you can try Flashboards out for yourself. So when you get to Flashboards, this is what you're going to find. Got an interface like this, an infinite canvas to work from, and here we have an example that is created for us to give us an idea of how this works. So you can see here, we can scroll out and you can see it from that angle there. And then if we zoom in, you can see that what we have here is a collection of images and videos. So what Flashboards does is it gives you a place where you can mood board, and you can also put your videos together. You can generate videos. And for his movie, Yaro Flasher used primarily seed dance. So there are other options. If you check, you do get access to VO, Kling, Nano Banana. But as far as Dark Paradise goes, that was done using seed dance primarily. So if you come here, you could basically play around. And one of the nice things is, even on the free tier, Yaro Flasher has provided these board packs. So if you come down here where it says main board, click on that, and you can see this little icon. You click on that. Let's try that again. There we go. So we've got a couple, 3 examples here. A behind the scenes board for a motion promo with Yaro across multiple generated styles. So this is kind of like a advertisement type thing, and there's a whole workflow there that you could take a look at. But here we have the whole Dark Paradise project, and you've got all 21 scenes, and you can download them and they will show up here for you, so you can actually see his workflow for yourself. So that's really cool. If you're interested in using it for free, then that gives you an idea of what the free tier is going to offer you. So what it's going to offer you at the very least is an opportunity to browse around and get to know what the platform is before you actually pay for the subscription. And if you want to just use it on your own, you can do that. You're limited to one board, but you can do quite a bit here, just as far as having a board to play around with, and also having these tutorials, these examples to look through. So let's just take a look here and see what some of the functions do. We've got our undo and our redo here. We can add a text note. So if you click on that, you can see here we can add a text note. And here we've got drawing options. So we can draw around if we want. And then down here, if we want to have multiple boards, then we need to upgrade. Then we also have, of course, the packs we were just looking at. And then if we click on that here, you will find board archives. So open a board, export one archive, or export every board into a folder. Export all if you want. Got various actions here. And over here on the right hand side, models. So here you can see that we have the different models listed, and you can look through these at your leisure. And then here we have recent models. I guess maybe that's what we were just taking a look at. We have our files here, our media browser. So here, if you're wanting to bring in new media, or if you're wanting to use the media that is here, this is all part of the media that you have access to through the packs there. That's all here to take a look at as well. And then you have your user settings. So you can come here, you can play around with your account settings, your stats, your generation history, your health. Make it dark to darker, which is fantastic. You know, why not make it even darker? Oh, we won't get too far into that, but that gives you an idea there of what the basic functions are. You can enter in prompts here. You have to select a model to enable batch generation. Okay. So then up here, we've got our center on content, zoom in, zoom out, zoom presets, and we have a mini map, which is pretty cool too. So pretty stripped down. It's there's not a lot going on here, but in terms of what it actually is capable of doing, it's very, very powerful. So you could bring your images and you can generate directly in the board. So really powerful workflow, really powerful tool for filmmaking and for advertisement and for all sorts of stuff. So if you're interested, you can head over to flashboards.yarrowflasher.com. There's a free version. We've got the starter, the creator, and the pro, and the enterprise. So that's all there for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open up an account. If you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Can personally recommend it. Check to see if it's available in your area.